Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will discuss one of the most important SQL interview question, that is delete versus truncate. So what is the difference between delete and truncate command? Both of these command used to delete the data in a table, okay? But there are some difference between these two commands. So first we will look into delete command and then we will jump to truncate. So what delete command does is it is used to remove a specific row from the table based on some condition. For example, we have employee new table and there are 5 record. Okay. But if I want to delete the detail of employee ID 5, what we have to write? How we can delete? So we have to write like delete from table name. So table name is employee new, where employee ID equal to 5. So using this we can delete the detail of 5th employee, right? And so based on a specific condition. But what if we want to delete the data of all we want to delete all the data of this employee new table? So we can write simply delete from employee new. So using this syntax we can delete all the data. Okay, we will run in a bit, but before that, before running this, I'll explain you one more concept, that is concept of rollback. Okay, like how we can roll back the data. So after explaining the rollback, we will run these two commands. Okay, so now understand the rollback command. But before that, let's add two more points for delete command. The first point is basically delete command is a DML command, right? Like data manipulation command, DML command, DML command. Okay, and this is bit slow because why? Because it deletes row by row, like it delete one row at a time. For example, suppose we have one table, okay, and that table has like 1 lakh data, 1 lakh record. Okay, so what it will does is it will delete one by one row at a time, like row 1, row 2, row 3, likewise till 1 lakh. So this is slow. Okay, slow. Now understand that, and it is slow. Then the truncate command came into the picture. Why? Because truncate command is bit faster than delete command. Truncate command deletes all the row at a single time. Okay, in a single operation. Truncate, it delete all the row from the table in a single operation. That is why it is faster than delete command, right? So using how we can delete using truncate command is like truncate table name, right? Truncate table name. So this will delete all the row, all the data, okay, without any condition. Before running these 3-4 commands, I'll explain you one of the most important concept, that is concept of rollback, like how we can roll back the data. So first understand what is the meaning of rollback. Okay, for example, this employee ID 5, okay, this employee 5, we have mistakenly deleted this one. Okay, but now we want to roll back the detail of this 5th employee. Okay, how we can do is, so there is one syntax like rollback transaction, TRAN. Okay, rollback transaction. So this is the first step. Okay, this is the starting phase, and the end should be rollback transaction. Sorry, the first will be begin transaction. Okay, begin transaction, and last should be rollback transaction. In between begin transaction and rollback transaction, we have to specify the delete command, delete condition, like what we want to delete, how many row we want to delete, like, or if we want to delete all the data, right? So if I cut and paste here, that would be easy to understand. See, now if I run this command, if I run this syntax, see, there are 5 employees. Okay, but now I want to delete employee ID 5. Okay, so delete from table name. Okay, where employee ID equal to 5. So what we have to do is, before, let's see, this is second step. Okay, before running second step, make sure to run first step. Okay, so begin transaction, we have to run begin transaction first. Okay, now let's see there are 5 record, and we executed this first. Now I'll execute second step first. See, one row affected. Again I'll run this one. See, there are 4 record only. If I run rollback transaction now, then 5th record will come back. Let's see, run. See, rollback transaction. Now if I run this syntax, see, 5th detail of 5th employee came back. Okay, so if you run second step without running first step, okay, then it is impossible to retrieve the detail of that employee, particular employee. Okay, so what you have to do is, what you have to like remember is, you have to perform all the operation between begin transaction and rollback transaction. Okay, and now if I want to truncate all the data, okay, truncate table employee new. Again we have to run this first, like begin transaction first, then truncate table. Okay, but first run. See, there are 5 record. Okay, now I'll run this one, all the commands successfully. Now let's see if there is data or not. See, this table is totally blank. Now if I roll back the transaction, see, commands completed successfully. I'll run again. See, all the detail of 5 employee came back. Okay, so if we use truncate command, that means it will delete all the data, okay, from a particular table, but it will not drop the table. The structure of the table will remain the same. Understood? And truncate command is basically, and truncate command is a DDL command. Okay, so this is DDL command, that means data definition language command. Okay, data definition language. Data definition language, just pardon my spelling mistake. Okay, so now one of the most important question is like, which one is faster? Okay, between delete and truncate, which one is faster? So truncate command is faster. Truncate command is faster because it removes all the rows in a single operation. Okay, we do not, for example here we did not specify any condition, like we want to delete employee ID 2 3 4 anything. Okay, we have just written like delete table employee new table name, so it deleted all the rows. So truncate command is faster compared to delete command. I hope you understand. If you still have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'll definitely get back to you on this, and will try to explain in a with more and more example in a coming videos. Thank you for your time. Thank you for the watching the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. We will meet soon. Bye bye.